In primetime news this evening, Indicom fires back following criticism from the Police Federation and the National Security Minister. Tension and grief in Waterford, St. Catherine after triple murder. And blind man to sue the government for injuries sustained while using sidewalks. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Now, Couples Resorts, a major hotel chain in Jamaica, Janella, is expanding to have a fifth location. Where will the new hotel be located? I'll tell you all about it in the Business Day.
All right, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jordan for the latest in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, I can tell you that it was celebrations galore today as 4 schools celebrated their respective schoolboy football titles. I'll tell you lots more about that in Primetime Sports Monday a little later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what do you make of the announcement that people with tattoos won't be chosen as volunteers for the upcoming regional conference?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.